a moderately shallow magnitude 4.9 earthquake was reported near Sarangani, Davao Occidental, Davao, Philippines. According to Indonesia's Meteorology, Climatology, and Geophysical Agency, the quake hit on Monday 2021 at 4:04 p.m. local time at a moderately shallow depth of 38 kilometers. The exact magnitude, epicenter, and depth of the quake might be revised within the next few hours or minutes as seismologists review data and refine their calculations, or as other agencies issue their report. Our monitoring service identified a second report from the German Research Center for Geosciences, GFZ, which listed the quake at magnitude 4.8. A third agency, the European Mediterranean Seismological Center, EMSC, reported the same quake at magnitude 5.0.